I've been looking for somebody in the nighttime. Somebody with a real loving.
What's up guys? Von Campos here. Welcome back or welcome to my channel and welcome sa episode 28 ng The Vessel series. So currently we are now 2 weeks out sa ating second show. Nag ano ako kanina, cardio ako kanina umaga and posing practice. Onting reflection lang, I would say nag-lean out ako since the last show. I would say na nag-lean out ako ng very, very, very slight. Pero hindi naman to the point na parang show ready na. So I have siguro 1 more week ng digging para makakuha yung show condition na gusto namin. Or at least yung pinaka-show condition na kaya namin this season. So ayun, right now nandito kami sa gym. Kasama ko ngayon si Jen. And may upper body session ako. Si Jen may legs. Tong video na to, wala, documentation lang ulit ng under 2 weeks out. Wala akong masyadong plan in mind kung anong sasabihin ko. So, I hope mag-enjoy pa rin kayo sa video na to. Kasi sabaw na ako.
Now I know I have all that I need. Found rest in a meadow green. Lead me by the peaceful stream. Renew my strength when we go. I'm not afraid in the darkest valleys. Not alone, I know you around me.
Feeling ko naman after nung last show, parang nag-improve yung overall performance ko sa gym, sa pag-handle ng prep in general. But may mga days din talaga na sobrang, alam mo yun, pagod ka na. Siguro sa tagal ko na rin na nakaprep eh. But ayun, pag may mga ganong araw, tinatry ko lang din talaga yung best ko na push through. Huwag na lang ako mag-isip masyado. Kasi pag nag-isip ka too much or pag nag-overthink ka, doon na pumapasok yung mga bagay na hindi mo na kailangang energy. So sometimes or most of the time, pagka nafe-feel ko yung ganito, mabigat, wala, gawa na lang. More doing, less thinking. Galing, no? Top set, kailangan 6, at least 6. Pag hindi, wala, retire. Alright. Gago, ba't ganun? Diba? Sabi sa'yo, 6 eh. malaking tulong talaga uh, yung warm-up show kasi mas appreciate ko yung journey. And siguro, I would say na-humble ako. Na, hindi naman, may added giggle, pero mas in retrospect, nung araw na yun, medyo nanggigil talaga ako. Pero after nun, parang mas na-humble ako na keep working harder kasi wala pa ako dun sa gusto ko ma-achieve. So I would say, matatranslate ko yun na hindi lang basta sa prep, but also sa lahat ng ginagawa ko in life. Dito, sa content game na, di ba, wala pa rin naman ako dun sa gusto kong ma-achieve. And sa every other aspect ng life ko, I would say na ganun din. Malaking bagay yung ma-humble ka. And after mo ma-humble, maging ako personally pala, yung ginawa ko is naging self-aware ako, acceptance, and surrendering. Yun yung malaking bagay na nagbago, I would say. Na natuto akong i-surrender na lang kasi hindi ko na talaga alam saan pupunta from there. And then, parang less, like I mentioned nga kanina, less thinking, more doing, tapos more surrendering na rin. I would say, pwedeng idagdag. Kasi yun talaga yung malaking adjustment pagdating sa mentality ko. Kasi nga, aminado naman ako, may mga sad boy episodes ako dito sa prep. Pero yun, you learn more about yourself pag talagang nahihirapan ka eh. Kaya, minsan maganda rin maging masakista eh. The joke lang. Buhat na tayo, sir.
We light up, light up, light up, light up. We light up, light up. We light up, light up. We light up, light up. On the weekend, we light up, light up. Me and my friends, we light up. We light up, light up. On the weekend, we light up, light up. Me and my friends, we light up. Yeah. Felt like nobody understood me. Yeah. Product of the city, kept it solid like it should be. Yeah. Chances I ain't never take, we never saw what it could be. No way, no way. So many people call me fake, cause I took a step out. Hood baby took it farther than the south. I'm like, tell me where to go. Even in my high signs, I be feeling low.
Okay guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. Wala masyadong ganaps ngayong vlog kasi wala, sobrang pagod. But kung meron kayong mga request na gusto nyong gawan ko ng videos in the future, lalo na patapos na yung prep natin, request kayo sa comment section down below. Yeah, yun lang naman. Wala masyadong ganaps kasi sobrang robot mode na lang din talaga ako for the past few days, weeks, ganyan. Basta gawin lang yung kailangan gawin. Cardio sa umaga, buhat, perform na maayos. And then, less complaints and less thinking, more doing. So yun lang. I'll see you guys on the next one. Again, this is Von Campos reminding you to follow your passion. Kahit na 0.1% progress ang everyday, okay lang kasi it will all add up someday. See you on the next one, guys. 2 weeks out. NBAU. Sino gusto manood, bili kayong ticket. Hindi ko kayo libre. Bye-bye.
Get it cool down. Don't my temper. Come back cool my temper. Get it cool down. Get it cool down. Don't my temper. Cool my temper.